Hi class, my name is Kim Fuller and I am currently in Utah. My second grandson was just born about 4 days ago. So I've been tending my 3-year-old grandson and helping my daughter with the new baby. So I'm on her porch because that's the only quiet place that I can find. Um, I am from Mesa, Arizona, and I'm in my almost last semester. I'm going to have one, maybe two classes to take in January, so I'm really excited to be getting done. And I'm taking this course because it's required for my degree. I've been taking classes for the past 28 years while I've been raising my children, and finally decided that I wanted to finish. So um, I'm doing a university studies degree with an emphasis in communications, and I really, really enjoyed it. I wanted to study public relations. The greatest class I've ever taken is public relations, and I really like that. But they don't offer that online, so I'm doing an emphasis in communications, and I have enjoyed all of the classes. I'm a bit nervous for this class because I don't like conflict. It's not one of my strong suits, and so hopefully I'll be able to learn how to deal with conflict better through this class. It kind of makes me nervous, but I'm looking forward to working hard and getting to know all of you in this class. I guess my goals would be to be able to handle conflict better and to not to shy away from it, to be more assertive. I, I tend to avoid it, and so sometimes my needs get missed in conflict because I don't like to have conflict. So hopefully those goals will be fulfilled, and I'll learn how to deal with that. And I think I've loved everything I've read so far, and I loved particularly the leadership article that I just read. I think that is so important in our world to find people that are willing to lead, and I think a lot of people shy away from it because of all of the scrutiny and the conflict that surrounds being a leader in our society today. And I think it's important that good people step up and lead in this world. Anyways, I'm looking forward to this class, and sorry for the weird environment out on the porch, but this is the best I could do this week, and I look forward to getting to know all of you. Thank you.